So I'm Anton. I am one of the founders of MAVOCO. I founded the company together with Helmut.
All right.
So we started actually, so we quit our jobs when we were working for Nokia in 2010. And from there we started evolving towards having the company that we have today. So we had a very clear vision when we started.
Yes.
So what our vision was to focus on the Internet of Things. And at the time we believed that the Internet of Things would be the next big revolution when it comes to connectivity. And we think it's a revolution because it's relatively straightforward to connect a machine into the internet, but then the value of that machine grows exponentially in the same way that computers value grew when you connected them to the internet. So of course you went from having a kind of advanced typing machine into having a device which is a shop, which is infotainment system where you can get information with the newspapers, a little bit everything. And we believe that the same started happening and is happening already with machines which connect to the internet as well.
So what is our vision about our company? So we have founded, MAVOCO as it is around 2015. We went 2010 out of our job. Then we have founded a consulting company. We did some years consulting. And then, we said, okay, we want to make a software company. So now, since 2015, we are working on our software. We have some of really the biggest network operator in the world as our customers. And we are still not, where we want to be. So we want to become, a real big software company. And when I talk about a real big software company, then I mean a company who knows, everybody knows the company, yeah? So a $1 billion company, yeah? And we have, it's still some steps to go, yeah? So, but, we have the first, I think, real important step done. We are recognized in the industry. We have our big customers in the States, in Japan, in Brazil, in Argentina, in Sweden, and so on. And now we are going, to push the company, to become bigger more important in the world of telecommunication.
When we started looking in IoT, there were two aspects actually why we did it. So first of all, it was a kind of affinity. So we were really especially interested and excited about this technical revolution at industrial level, at consumer level, etc. We wanted to be a part of it. We also believed that with a very flexible approach, modern architecture, and with the ideas and the capabilities that we were able to bring in place, we will be able to help the IoT industry, the whole IoT community, to move forward as well. And this is why we understood what was there, and we had a vision. We saw very clearly how it was, and we had a clear vision about how it could be. And this is what we started looking into. Of course, when we built our platform, we built all the capabilities to make it world-class when it came to delivering the capabilities that are needed today by a network operator, but we also created the ground technology to build the capabilities that we believe network operators and enterprises will need going forward. Of course, this we started in 2015. What we saw is that many of the ideas that we had then are actually needed today and are being taken over by operators, and the industry starts using it. And we see this evolution going into 2025, 2030 as one of the key strategic objectives. So we do not want to build now the platform that is needed today. We want to build a platform that is needed for the next 10 years.
So what are our next steps? So the next step is from the company development, we will go to the United States and also to Japan, because we see the biggest market for us is then in Northern Americas and in Japan. So 2021 will be the year where you see MAVOCO, growing to other continents.
when we started creating our development teams, we wanted to have a healthy mixture between a lot of experience and as well new people, maybe less experience in terms of years, but bringing some fresh and new ideas.
Anton is Spanish, I'm Austrian, you know, we have guys from Poland, from Hungary, from Kosovo, from UK and many others in the company. So it was always very important that we say, okay, we are a European company or a global company, you know, we do not take care from where the persons are or which language they're talking.
We're extremely happy to have such a brilliant team, I would say. And I think that one of the keys is being open. As Helmut was saying, where you come from, how old you are, it doesn't matter, everything.
It's completely.
When you write software, it's about turning ideas into code. So if you look at any successful software company, you know, it could have, all of them could have been implemented anywhere because the brains of people and the talent of people is finally the same everywhere. You just need to empower the people to deliver their best